So, ayan, magandang araw sa inyo mga kapatid. Ayan, kasama ko na naman si Sophia, si Mami, at si Taishan. Pupunta kami sa Kazuko Japanese Restaurant. Pero siya Pilipino yung may-ari. So, punta kami doon kakain. Kain kami. The people. You're such a sassy Anna. We're going here. Sa Kazuko. Let's go. Get inside. Pasok na. Siya nga pa yung owner dito ng Kazuko. Ayan.
Welcome po, welcome.
Salamat.
Gusto niyo pa ng ano?
That's what we're gonna do. So, Taishan is trying the... No? Oh, Mommy will try the drink. Oh, there you go.
Sometimes if you shake it, but you may want to hold it down so it doesn't come out.
Okay.
But luckily, it wasn't shut.
Mommy is testing the Japanese wine. Like a Kazuko. No?
Looks like alcohol, yeah? The one Vietnamese one.
Look at that.
Let's get something extra.
Be careful, it's gonna be hot.
Oh, grabe mga kapatid. Paso ka na naman. Thank you. Ito yung favorite ko. It's my favorite takoyaki. Favorite. Mga kapatid, yung paborito ko, takoyaki na dito na sa Bournemouth. Paborito ko ito eh. Sa social media ko na napapanood sa YouTube, pero ngayon makakain na.
You have to do fast, Daddy.
Sumama ito try yung chopstick.
How do you?
Just stick it. Hindi marunong sila. It's hot. Paso na.
Hello. Hi guys.
Na-refill pa sa anak ko.
Enjoy, yeah?
Thank you. It's Mommy, yun ang in-order. Tatsukari. The best.
Oh, my chicken.
Hindi naman, no? Panalo to. Sobra. Grabe, proper, ano siya? Proper Japanese food. Uy, grabe. Is it nice, babe? Is it better than Wagamama?
It is actually. You want to try?
I have to admit, this is better than Mama.
Si Owner Andrew. Ayan.
Welcome pa.
Ate.